Assalamu alaikum. Hi, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are doing well and safe at home. Okay, this is your favorite English class. So today I in this video lesson, what last class what lesson I have taught you third lesson, isn't it? The night the bed fell. Did you remember the story? It's an interesting story only. I told you, no, in this house, the author's house is full of chaos. Did you remember the story? So it's a James Darber is the writer of the story. He is telling about his own experience, what had happened in the house. Okay, so what happened? He had a father and mother. So the father was want to sleep in the attic terrace to get the breeze. And then what happened, his mother is telling, no, don't want to go there, because the bed you are sleeping was not in a proper condition. It will fall down and it would kill him. So they had a, what is that, pre-conception. They have some negative thoughts like that. So and then we have seen what is the character we have seen. There are so many characters there. So Briggs Beale is his cousin, and the cousin also came to the house, and he was sleeping with the writer James Darber. So Beale what having a he also having a, what is that, imagination. Okay, when he was sleeping, he cannot sleep properly. He thought he would be die due to suffocation, shortness of breath. So he had a camper in his nearby the bed, okay, nearby the table. The camper will produce a aroma means smell, okay, so that he can not sleep, he couldn't sleep deeply. Okay, so this is the we have seen, no, this one. And then another character, what character in that house we have seen, old Aunt Melissa. So he also suffered under premonition means some negative thoughts she is also having. And then another Aunt Sherashef. Okay, and Sherashef also had a feeling that any burglar means thief would come into the house, and they will take the things like that. So it like that she had a fear. And another lady is Aunt Gracie Schoaf. And Gracie Schoaf also had a burglar phobia. Phobia means fear. Understand? So any thief would come. What can I do? So sometimes she would throw the shoes. Okay. Up to that we have seen, isn't it? So next one is, and what we have seen, Herman is the brother of James Darber. Okay, Roy also another brother. It's a two characters. And Herman and his mother was sleeping in one room. Understand? So suddenly one day James Darber was sleeping in a cot. That cot also fell on him, and it makes some sound, and there is a chaos, there is a sound in that house. So the mother was very hysterical. She was uncontrollable, emotional. He thought his father is going to die like that. She is imagining like that. And then what happened, so like that is going. And then what wait, up to that we have seen, isn't it? With a low moan, he grabs the glass of hammer at the end of his head. Instead of sniffing it, poured it over himself. So what Briggs is doing, he always want to stop his sleep, and he had that camper beside the table. So when the aroma is coming, he will wake up, isn't it? And then what happened? It was at this juncture that I, in trying to get up, had the uncanny sensation of feeling my bed above me, foggy with sleep. What do you mean by foggy? Foggy means unable to think. Understand? I think I had the nightmarish belief that I was entombed in a mind grasp Briggs floundering in his camper. What do you mean by floundering? Drowning. Okay, if the smell also more means what will happen? They will drown. Understand? And then what happened? The door was stuck, however, wouldn't yield. So they want to, there is one noise heard by the this house people, okay, this person. And then what happened, the father, they want to open the attic. There was a door in that attic place, and then they are going to open there, they knocking the door, understand. So pulls on it only added to the general banging and confusion. So what happened, they are pulling to open the door. Roy and the dog were now up, the one shouting questions, the other barking. So what happened, there is a brother Roy is also there, the dog was barking, okay, the dog was barking, okay, barking. And then what happened, the Roy also saying something. So the dog is one side barking, the Roy is telling something, there is a confusion, okay, shouting questions in between the Roy and the dog. Furthest away, soundest sleeper of all, had by this time been awakened by the battering on the attic door. So what happened, at last the father was sleeping at the attic place was awakened. Nothing happened to that father. These people are imagining only, understand. So what happened, he decided that the house was on fire. So the father what thought, some there is sounds and noise are coming under the attic place, no. So he decided there is a fire in the house. So the father was replying, oh, I am coming, he was saying like that in a slow voice. So it's a midnight, everything happened in the midnight. It took him many times to regain full consciousness. So he was in off sleep, so he cannot regain his full consciousness. My mother, still believing he was caught under the bed, detected in his coming the mournful resigned note of one who is preparing to meet his maker. He is dying, she shouted. So the writer's mother was always tension, and what she was decided, the father was caught up under the bed, okay. He thought the father had a danger. Okay, he was shouting. She was uncontrollable. I'm all right, Briggs healed to assure her. I'm all right. He still believed that it was his own closeness to death that was worrying. What is that? Worrying mother. I found at last the light switch on my room, unlocked the door, and Briggs and joined the others at the attic door. So all are in front of the attic door. The dog, who never did like Briggs, jumped for him. So the dog, the pet dog is in that house, no. So he is jumping towards the Briggs. Okay, the dogs usually, if any noise is coming, means it will barks, no. So in the same way is jumping towards Briggs. He could hear father crawling out of bed upstairs. Roy pulled the attic door. So Roy is the brother. So he pulled the attic door open with a mighty jerk, and father came down the steps. What happened at last? So all are went to upstairs in the attic place, and they knocked the door. At last the father opened the door. Nothing happened. Okay, so he was in the sleepy and irritable but safe. Okay, so when we are wake up in the off sleep, what happened, we always have hungry, in the same way the father was sleepy and irritable, but he was safe. The father was safe, nothing happened to him. My mother began to weep when she saw him. So once the mother, my mother, means Arthur was describing everything, no. So he was telling, my mother, when he met his father, he was weeping, she was crying. Rex began to howl. Rex is a dog, okay, pet dog. It's making some sound. What in the name of God is going on here? Asked father. So the father was asking, what's going on here? Okay, the situation was finally put together like a gigantic jigsaw puzzle. So what happened? This whole situation is full of a puzzle. Puzzle means confusion in the house. Father caught a cold from prowling, walking about. Walking about. So he was walking in a barefoot without any slipper. He was walking. but there were no other bad results. But nothing had happened to his father. I'm glad, said mother. So the mother was very happy. Nothing was happened to the father, who always looked on the bright side of things, that your grandfather was not here. So his grandfather was not here, he went away. So his mother is telling, I'm very happy that nothing had happened. So now only she was thinking in a bright side. Okay, she was always thinking the negative thoughts only, but now only she was thinking, she was looked on the bright side of things, that your grandfather was not here. Even the grandfather was not here, but the mother was very happy to see his father. Understand? So up to, it's a very beautiful story. uh, Again I'll revise this lesson. So I think most of them you don't have the textbook, don't worry, see the video 2 times or 3 times, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. I'm ready to answer for your queries. So until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum. We will meet you in a new chapter. Okay, thank you.